Opener Blackfly. A new electric aircraft with a distinctive look and impressive capabilities is the Opener Blackfly. It has a bubble canopy in the center that looks like a boat's hulls, and it has two wings that each have 4 propellers that are propelled by electricity. The Blackfly can mimic the flight characteristics of both conventional planes and helicopters thanks to its unique design. As a recreational sport vehicle, it does not require a pilot's license to fly because it is an ultralight vehicle, which means it weighs no more than 254 pounds. Notably, it comes with a safety mechanism that allows you to return home and an optional BRS parachute. Featuring some of the most powerful motors for their size, the Blackfly's propulsion technology is patented. The Blackfly is anticipated to cost around the same as a luxury SUV once production is fully underway in terms of price. Not to overpromise though, we have not revealed the precise pricing. J2000 Flying Car. An innovative idea from Jetoptera is the J2000 Flying Car. A race car couldn't keep up with this small, streamlined machine. Vertical takeoff and landing are within the J2000's capabilities, as are top speeds of 200 miles per hour. A long-distance traveler or air taxi service could use it because of its 200-mile range. The J2000 is revolutionary among vertical takeoff and landing planes because it forgoes propellers in favor of a novel fluidic propulsion system, FPS. Derived from Dyson's bladeless fans, this device generates strong thrust by circulating a little volume of compressed air through ambient air. With 2 up front and 2 out back, the J2000's FPS features 4 hoop-like thrusters. The craft's thrusters fold into its body once it's airborne, while the rear hoops propel it forward. Because of its revolutionary design, the J2000 outperforms its competitors in terms of weight, noise, and efficiency. Jetson 1. For solo flight, there's the revolutionary Jetson 1, an electric vertical takeoff and landing plane. It provides an exciting new way to fly while still being incredibly safe, according to the Swedish company Jetson Aero. Built to last and perform, this aircraft is lightweight because to its aluminum and carbon fiber frame. It provides redundancy and enhances safety with its single-seat design and 8 electric motors. With Jetson 1's simple joystick controls and automatic systems, even first-time pilots will have no trouble getting the hang of things. An obstacle detector, hands-free hover, and a ballistic parachute are all built in for your protection while you're flying. In addition to a top speed of 63 miles per hour, the plane can fly for around 20 minutes on a single charge. The Jetson 1, an exciting new kind of personal transportation that may be used for leisure purposes, ushers in a new era of affordable and accessible air travel. Lyft Aircraft. An innovative personal aviation company, Lyft Aircraft provides thrilling vertical flight experiences for those who do not possess a pilot's license. While they do sell the Hexa, a personal electric multi-rotor aircraft, Lyft is more known for offering introductory flights. The Hexa's 18 separate rotors provide stability and security, while its design prioritizes ease of use. If you're interested in taking to the skies, Lyft has flight sessions available for about $250 each flight. But there is a way for the most dedicated fans to get their hands on this cutting-edge gear. An exclusive buyback option is available at the end of the 5-year term, and a small number of vehicles have been sold for $495,000. Beyond individual experiences, Lyft aspires to set up shop in various places so that anybody may hire and enjoy the Hexa, bringing personal flight to a whole new level of accessibility. Lilium Jet. One of the most innovative, sustainable, high-speed air mobility companies, Lilium, created the electric vertical takeoff and landing plane, the Lilium Jet. This cutting-edge plane will change the face of city transportation by providing an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional planes. No large vertiports or terminals are required, thanks to its slim form, which also makes it easy to incorporate into pre-existing infrastructure like heliports. Lilium NV has been actively participating in funding rounds to promote the development of the Lilium Jet, but the actual price is not publicly published. An example of the magnitude of investment in this state-of-the-art technology is the $114 million capital round that was disclosed. Consistent innovation and the introduction of the Lilium Jet demonstrate the company's dedication to decarbonizing aviation and reshaping air travel for a more sustainable future. Volocopter Volo City Aircraft. Urban air taxis like the Volocopter Velocity are about to change the game for getting around cities. Featuring 18 rotors and the capacity to take off and land vertically, this all-electric aircraft showcases the future of urban travel. After more than 2,000 test flights, the Velocity, built by the German firm Volocopter GmbH, is ready to meet the demanding requirements of the European Aviation Safety Agency. Being designed with safety in mind, the Velocity boasts redundant systems to ensure fail-safe operations and a flight profile that is ideal for urban areas because to its low noise level. While flights will initially be piloted, the design does provide for the possibility of a completely driverless service down the road. Those seeking an alternative to conventional urban transportation options can enjoy this exclusive experience for an estimated $355 for a 15-minute ride. Joby Aviation. Based in Santa Cruz, California, Joby Aircraft is an aircraft startup that has venture capital backing. Their goal in creating an electric V-taxi is to make it easier for people to get around in the air. By cutting down on travel time, the innovative electric aircraft from this startup aims to simplify daily living. With its 6 electric motors and vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, this aircraft can reach nearly any settlement. The aircraft is ideal for use in congested metropolitan areas due to its whisper-quiet operation. A multi-year testing program with the FAA is now underway for Joby Aviation to certify their vehicle for commercial operations. The company has already flown over 30,000 miles on full-scale prototype aircraft. In an effort to lessen the impact of aviation on the environment and human hearing, they are working on a more efficient system of human transport. Vertical Aerospace VX4, an unique electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is engineered for efficient, emission-free air mobility in metropolitan areas. Passengers and their belongings will enjoy the trip thanks to the roomy cabin, which has comfortable seating and plenty of storage space. Exceptional control and precision during flying are provided by the VX4's tilt-shift propellers, manufactured from carbon fiber composite. The VX4's low-noise signature technology ensures that it functions softly, making it an ideal choice for urban areas where noise pollution is a concern. When it comes to safety, the VX4 is all in, trying to match the high standards set by commercial passenger planes. No one knows for sure how much it will cost, but the fact that the business has pre-sold more than 1,350 devices for over $5.4 billion shows how valuable and in demand this innovative technology is. KiwiGo T1. When it comes to high-tech air transportation, the KiwiGo T1 is a major step forward. The XPeng KiwiGo Flying Car is a hybrid of a drone and a capsule, with the former featuring an all-electric powertrain and the latter including 6 propeller wings. By fusing freedom with innovation, the T1 provides a one-of-a-kind mode of personalized transportation that effortlessly soars above traffic. The T1 is an excellent choice for shorter trips due to its 45 miles per hour top speed, 30 kilometers range, and 30-minute flight time. Through an X-type safety belt, the pilot is able to take in the expansive view from the cockpit, which features a front window, a rear windshield, and open sides. There is no set pricing yet, but many $1 million has gone into developing prototypes and models that are comparable, so it's safe to assume they're targeting a high-end market. Cavarite X5. A concept design for a long-range hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, the Cavarite X5 was developed by Horizon Aircraft. The aircraft is designed to take off and land vertically. One pilot and 4 passengers are able to be accommodated within this sleek and contemporary design. This aircraft is outfitted with a pusher propeller for conventional flying, as well as a fan-in-wing system that has been patented for vertical takeoff and landing flight. When in VTOL flight, the wings can slide open, and when in forward flight, they can snap back into place. The Cavarite X5 has a range of 500 kilometers and is capable of attaining a maximum cruise speed of 350 kilometers per hour without braking. It is a promising advancement in the field of advanced air mobility, since the design of the aircraft places an emphasis on safety, practicability, and operational flexibility. Icon Life Aircraft. A work of aviation art, the Icon caters to thrill seekers and daredevils who can't get enough of the air. When it comes to leisure flying, this amphibious light sport aircraft is redefining the wheel with its exceptional combination of flair, safety, and versatility. Flying the Icon is more than just flying. It's an adventure, allowing you to effortlessly traverse the sky and rivers. An investment in unrivaled flying pleasure, the Icon starts at $269,000 for the base model. The fully equipped version, with premium setups and sophisticated capabilities, is available for $389,000 and is perfect for individuals who want the most out of their Icon experience. The Icon spin-resistant airframe and Icon parachute system are designed to put safety first, so you may fly with confidence every time. The Icon encourages all pilots, from novices to veterans, to confidently and stylishly embrace the pleasure of flying. H2 Fly Liquid Hydrogen Aircraft. An innovative step toward more environmentally friendly flight is the H2 Fly XY4, which is propelled by liquid hydrogen. With its successful test flights, it achieved a milestone as the world's first piloted electric aircraft to use liquid hydrogen for flight. The HY4 prototype, created by the German firm H2 Fly, which focuses on hydrogen electric powertrain systems, demonstrates the feasibility of emission-free flight over medium and long distances. The aircraft's range has been extended to 1,500 kilometers because to the use of cryogenically stored liquid hydrogen instead of gaseous hydrogen. Thanks to this innovation, air travel will soon be easier and more comfortable for passengers. The HY4's twin fuselage design allows it to efficiently transport 4 passengers. Working together, H2 Fly and Deutsche Aircraft want to decarbonize commercial aviation by scaling this technology for a regional aircraft with 40 seats. Drone Ark Aeros Systems. An innovative technology company established in the United Kingdom, Ark Aeros Systems focuses on improving civil aircraft's vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The Pegasus, their most popular gyroplane, has received rave reviews for its adaptability and cheap running costs. It can take off and land without rolling thanks to its vertical jump takeoff and no-roll landing system. With a maximum range of 610 kilometers and a 10-minute reserve, the Pegasus can attain a cruise speed of 160 kilometers per hour at 7,000 feet. The P3, a 3-seater hybrid version of the Pegasus, and the P9, a 9-seater with enhanced vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. With the help of these planes, RC is working to improve air transportation in cities and make the switch to more environmentally friendly flying practices. Products from Ark Aeros Systems are known to be less expensive than traditional helicopters. Copter Pack. Featuring a self-leveling autopilot system, the Copter Pack is a novel personal aircraft that takes the form of an electric backpack helicopter. With its carbon fiber honeycomb airframe and other innovative characteristics, it intends to revolutionize personal flying by raising the bar for safety and performance. The Copter Pack provides a one-of-a-kind flying experience by incorporating the user's body into the aircraft. Testing of the Copter Pack's flight dynamics and stability has been conducted during its current development stage. It has 2 rotor blades per side and is controlled using a mechanism similar to a joystick. A helmet is mandatory for protection, and the included LED lights make it possible to use it at night. No official announcement regarding the Copter Pack's price or availability has been made as of yet. It has the ability to change the way people interact with the sky, and it's a fascinating look into the future of personal transportation. Vancraft VQ16. Fun and functional. The Vancraft VQ16 combines elements of a water scooter with those of a luxury yacht tender. Known for their high-end, custom-built maritime vessels, Vanquish Yachts crafts it. The VQ16's 5.7-meter length and 1.66-meter beam make it stand out, offering plenty of room for 5 people. It has a thrilling top speed of 45 knots and can go even faster to 53 knots, thanks to its Yamaha 185 or 250 horsepower jet propulsion engine. With a 60-liter fuel capacity and a small draft of 0.2 meters, it is perfect for a variety of nautical experiences. Style and personalization are equally as important as performance when it comes to the VQ16. The meticulous handcrafting of each device permits personalized customization to suit the owner's preferences. This opulent yacht starts at about $89,000 and goes up to $106,000 for the supercharged Veloce model.